and welcome back to my channel. Today I have the what I got for Christmas video that you guys love. This year I added luxury to it, not as in like a stuck up kind of way, but I just know it gets people going. Usual disclaimer here, not bragging. Cody and I love holidays. I know some people are just not into it. Cody and I love it, so we kind of go a little hard on each other. And then we love to spoil our families, and I just am so grateful I got to spend my holidays with my family given the state of the world. And I hope you guys had a merry and blessed Christmas as well. But you guys don't care about that. We're all material here, guys. Let's get into it. If you haven't watched my what I got for Christmas video, you guys know I asked for the Mach & Mach red heels. And basically I was told that I wouldn't be getting them for Christmas because they kept selling out of my size. Like, whatever, I don't need them. I have my silver ones anyway. Then on Christmas morning, Cody told me to open a specific bag, and I opened it up to find these, which is a Nike SB box. I knew that this is something that Cody wanted to get me, so I opened it up. Look what he did. Look at what he did. He's so sneaky. So these are the Mach & Mach red ruby slippers. That's what I call them. I'm like halfway to being Dorothy at this point because I've got Toto being Miller, and I don't know, I'm just so obsessed with these. These are just like show-stopping, honestly. There's no other way to describe it, and I'm obsessed. I could stare at them, honestly, especially in this light, for hours. I wore them on Christmas and they're just perfect. And if you guys didn't know, Mach & Mach actually runs small, so I would size up a half to a full size if I were you guys. Also, my Farfetch discount is still going, so if you want to check that out, description box. So then he proceeded to tell me to open this bag, or the bag that contained this item, because the surprise was the Mach & Mach heels. And then I told Cody to stop buying me sneakers because he's gotten me sneakers for like every occasion, but he was like, just one more. I'm dead. These are the Nike Dunk Strange Loves. They came out in 2020 and the resale market is insane. He ended up getting them for a good deal according to him. Did not ask for details because I was like, I don't need to know. Like, these are insane. They're velvet. They're so ugly that they're cute, and I'm obsessed with them. I kept on seeing them when we were in New York. I was like, I do not need these, but I'm dead. One of the items that my parents got me, I'm obsessed with. They're by Alessandra Rich. My mom, well, and my dad obviously, ended up picking these up for me because I said I wanted them for potentially wearing for wedding events. And they are these humongous little clip-on ear. Okay, I have hoop earrings in right now, but they're just ginormous and they're such a statement that I thought it'd be really fun just to like spice up plain white outfits, especially, you know, since I get married in the next year, which is crazy. They were my big gift from my mom and dad, and I'm obsessed with them. My mom's like, I did not know if you knew how big they were. I was very aware. That's what she said also. I'm currently on the hunt for my gift for myself this year. I'm not going to tell you guys what it is. I'm waiting till 2022 because I told myself no more bags for 2021. But I did get myself these Bottegas, which are such a vibe. They are so like 50s to me. I don't know how to describe them, but they're fabulous. I got those. Cute. Look at the box that they come in, the case. Obsessed. I completely forgot I even asked for this from Cody. This is the Le Labo. I just didn't think I would get it. Laundress Santal 33 laundry detergent. I cannot wait to use this. He got me 2 bottles and I will be using this on our sheets tonight, and I cannot wait. So this smells just like heaven, basically. Oh my god, it smells so good. I know everyone was wondering, we did in fact get Tide from my aunt. I'm thrilled I did not bring it upstairs because you know what Tide looks like. And I know everyone was dying to know we did get our microwave. Shout out to Cody's mom and grandma. Cody went all out this year. I am shook. He got me the Anthropologie blanket that I wanted. It's one of those big chunky knit blankets, but it's like a bright orange, a red, and then a hot pink. It's going to look so good in my office. I can't wait, which is where we are filming this right now. Cody got me another Slow Burn candle by Kacey Musgraves, which is my favorite. And then I actually picked up myself the Cashmere Kush from Revolve By the way, my Revolve favorites will be linked below. Definitely check it out if you guys are, got some holiday money and you want to spend it. We love free 2-day shipping. My mom and dad got Miller this little ornament with a little paw. And Cody's sister got an ornament for the both of us to have, and it's like a little Yorkie on it. And I'm not sure where Cody put some of the stuff because a lot of our gifts were joint gifts this year. You know, the benefit of being engaged. My mom and dad were smart little lads and they decided to go the practical route. They got me this Drain Weasel hair clog tool. They also got me a little ornament of my hometown. And then my mom, I think she probably got these at like, it looks like TJ Maxx. But they are the Maggie Lyons Candy Jingle Juice Champagne Gummies. If you guys know, I love the gummy bears, and when Cody, or Sugarfina gummy bears, and when Cody and I started dating, he got me like a 5-pound bag of the Sugarfina ones, and I was like, bro, oh my god, yum. Does Trader Joe's still sell these? They did one year. My parents also got me a fire extinguisher. Like, I didn't even know these things existed, but I know we have a fire extinguisher in our house. Isn't that like a mandatory thing? But this is actually really nice to know that I have. As you guys may know, all of my Anthropologie ornaments for the most part were ruined in our basement flood, and I didn't love the ones for Anthropologie this year, but Cody found this one, and this one is like super special because our dog Miller loves apples. And it's a little apple, and I thought that was so sweet and thoughtful, so I really love that. I love the amount of thought that went into everyone's gifts. And one last thing I want to well, technically 2 last things I'm going to show you guys. I asked for Cody's mom because one year she got me this cup. I'm sure you can find it if you go a few videos back, or what I got for Christmas is back, and it had Miller's pictures all over it, and I love it. It's my like emotional support cup. I asked for a new one with new pictures, and she put my favorite picture of Miller. Look at his tongue. Are you kidding? And it says Miller's mom on it. I die. So that's really sweet. And then my aunt actually got me glass straws. These are my favorite form of straws. They remind me of not Trader Joe's. They remind me of McDonald's straws, honestly, because they are really thick, which I really, I know. Very niche. Honestly, the highlight of my Christmas was watching my brother. I ended up getting him University Red Dunks. Once again, Farfetch coupon code. You're gonna want to use it because you can get sneakers on there. And he was so shocked because obviously Dunks are so hard to get these days. He wore Dunks in high school and it was his first pair to have in a really long time. So he was so happy about that. And it was my favorite gift to watch. And I know if you guys watched last year's What I Got for Christmas video, you know that it was a tough year because we had to just visit my grandma, like most people, at the nursing home through the window. But this year she got to spend it with us, and I'm just so grateful I got to spend Christmas with her. I'm gonna cry. We'll calm down. So that is my annual What I Got for Christmas video. Tons of amazing things, and I mean, like I said, I don't know where half of the stuff that Cody's family got us because he kind of unboxed everything already. But we also got some gift cards and, you know, places like gift cards for Home Depot, which we will use, and I just love it. Being a homeowner and adult is just so exciting. I hope you guys had a Merry Christmas, and please subscribe if you haven't already. Check me out on Instagram, and until next time, bye!